This is the Vivo V15 Pro, a very interesting approach that effectively blurs the lines between what we get on a flagship and a small step into the mid-range. Reporting from both New York City and San Francisco, I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocket Now, and this is our quick look. We've been covering rumors of the V15 Pro for a bit, and let me just say that this phone is even more stunning when you hold it. From the pattern in the glass, to the feel in its materials, to the 2.5D glass surrounding it, I really like this phone. There's a very important reason why the Vivo V15 Pro matters. I'm having a hard time calling this a mid-ranger. See, premium mid-rangers have existed for a bit, but are usually just nice designs with watered-down specifications and features. This one is not. Really, the only thing that's mid-range about this phone is the chip powering it. We have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 675 AIE processor. Oh, and the other thing is micro USB connection, even if it provides fast charging capabilities. The rest is flagship territory with 6 or 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of expandable storage, a 3700 mAh battery, and dual SIM capabilities. We have a gorgeous 6.39-inch Super AMOLED display at Full HD Plus resolution at 19.5:9 aspect ratio at 91.64 screen-to-body ratio, and full support for the P3 color gamut. And here is where the unexpected things on the mid-ranger begin, and which Vivo pioneered. There is no notch, but instead a motorized 32-megapixel camera. Yes, 32. My tests overall have really surprised me given its dynamic range and overall use of color and detail. That's obviously after I disabled all the beautifying filters that shaved a few pounds off my face. It was rather convenient. The micro-stepping motor shares chassis space with the next unexpected combo. We have a triple camera module, but it's not conventional. One is a 48-megapixel camera that uses pixel binning to combine each 0.8 micron into 4-in-1, totaling 1.6 microns. The second is an 8-megapixel super wide-angle camera at 120 degrees of field of view, and the third is a 5-megapixel depth sensor. There's a ton of AI here, even for body shaping. Yeah, I know. I switched it off, but regardless, photos seem fantastic even with a mid-range ISP in the processor. There's an AI super night mode for long exposure shots also included. In my preliminary testing, I do have to say that the results are way beyond what I expected. Other surprises are the 5th generation in-display fingerprint scanner. It's not the fastest I've used, but this is also a territory Vivo pioneered and remains really convenient. And another thing to note, there is a dedicated button for a Google Assistant on the side, which is something that I've noticed has become a trend lately. Now, given the fact that this phone is slated for Asia, you will notice a blend of services to cater to that market. This device is powered by FunTouch OS on top of Android 9 Pie. Definitely not my favorite given its resemblance to iOS, but a good option for those planning to switch from an iPhone. There's also another assistant built in called Jovi, which I obviously stayed away from because it helps you find things in retail stores and stuff, which I don't really care. Still, overall, the Vivo V15 Pro is a very interesting option that I feel you should consider. It's got flagship technology, powerful specifications in certain cases, and a really good camera. I'm pleasantly surprised with my experience so far. You should definitely check it out. Let us know what you think about the Vivo V15 Pro in the comments down below, and while you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media, subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.